Not just for, not for the season.
No.
All right.
I'm going for first overall.
Overall, done. Done deal.
I want to do a track record as well in a stock car.
There we go.
This whole car is stock.
Nice, nice. You and
you don't need a modified car to beat this track.
Look at that thing. Just so that everyone's on the same page, we will fire up the cars. We'll go do a sight lap at a mind-numbing 25 mile an hour, just so that you can all see the track and see where to go and where not to go. We'll do that. Just don't get too excited on the sight lap. Maybe do a few laps before you get really excited, before you wreck. And then throw down. But the goal is everyone just have a good time out here. But what we'll do is just everyone run as many laps as they want. I really don't care if you run 100 laps, but run as many as you want. But once we get later into the day, we'll just start getting guys that want to throw down a hot lap and see if they can smoke someone down, right? And beat whoever they want, whether it's the top time to win a prize from Pro A5 or Hostile Wheels or whatever it may be, or it's they want to beat a car that's better than that, that's the same car as them. So later in the day we'll just start timing, but initially go out there, we'll do a sight lap or two.
It's way bigger. I couldn't get it's when you watch it on video, it's not the same as
like being in this. Everything feels big. You're like, wow, like bam.
Just everything, all the hills are a lot bigger. You're saying?
As to what their cars are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you could go against other Pro XPs.
Yeah. Yeah. There's.
Is there other ones out?
Yeah.
I think
I ran a.
Yeah,
527.
That was a Pro XP, right?
Pro XP.
Oh, you're right.
527.
Oh,
that's probably the fastest Pro XP. Because we've not had a lot of Pro XPs out. So that's probably the fastest one for sure. Yeah, before it got tumbled. That thing threw down right before it tumbled.
Yeah, it did. That car was set up.
Jimmy.
Dallin. You too. This is your car, huh?
Yeah, it's one of them, yeah.
One of them? Did you bring
No,
both?
no, I couldn't get it. I didn't need it. I had two trailer for two cars. I don't have one. And I couldn't get my budget, so I didn't. So.
It looks like you got quite a bit done to this car. What do you got done to it?
Oh, everything pretty much.
Pretty much everything?
Yeah. Yeah, we won Parker last year in it, and we won.
Oh, really?
We just won Rage at the River a couple months ago in the sportsman class.
You won the Rage in the River and the Parker 400?
Yeah.
In the sportsman?
Yeah.
Nice. So let's introduce Matt. He's got an X3 here with smart shocks and a Pro R with smart shocks. So you just did a couple laps in the cars. What do you think handles the track the best? What car?
Pro R.
The Pro R?
For sure.
Not even a question?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And why would you say that?
The clearance.
Mainly just the clearance?
Yeah.
But you just bottoming out left and right in the Can-Am? Is that what it was?
Yeah, those ruts on the backstretch are pretty deep.
Okay.
And running 32s, it's not the tire.
Well, your 32's here too, right?
Yeah.
But just got more clearance. Big. Are you bottoming out less too?
Yeah, I didn't even, just in the low washes, I was bottoming out, but basically right through here, through most of the track and stuff, it seemed pretty fun.
Handled everything really well. Nice.
Gonna try a different mode on the next round and then
go with track mode this time?
Yeah.
What were you running that time?
Baja.
Baja. I always bounce back from Baja to track, but usually on the track I did track, just because I like that lower CG vibe, you know. But you lose a little bit of that ground clearance too, so it's a give and take.
It's gonna be playing back and forth with it.
Yeah, but good job. You got a 524 in this, and then 535 in the X3 so far. But we'll see by the end of the day how this works out. But awesome. You're thinking he's gonna get a 501 today. That's where you're thinking he's gonna end up.
If he gets at a 502, I'll be happy.
502 and better, you're happy.
Yeah.
You think he's got it? That's the question. I think he does.
He's a driver.
I mean, he's got a 506 pretty early in the day.
Just let it know it's the old timer class, okay? Wasn't bad.
522, brother.
Not bad for the
That was good. Even with the passenger.
I know.
That was good.
Could have lost a lot of time right there.
Right there, that's at least 30 seconds minimally. Right? It's all your fault. Make us proud, Ross.
I will.
We want to talk about you in Havasu, just like Filmora, you know? $534.
Oh, wow.
514, bro.
Oh,
crushed
really?
it.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. There we go.
Good job.
Thank you. That's not
He's
bad.
like, man, I thought I was driving a lot harder than that.
Your first lap was a 522.
Oh, okay.
So
I
your
got
second
better,
one
yeah.
was
So you kept getting faster. That was good. You
Yeah.
were sending, dude. It looked
Yeah.
good.
I'm going to be cocky and say my little car compared to those.
There you go.
Totally
The
different.
Pro
Yeah,
XP
there.
standing strong.
Yeah.
The old station wagon just threw down a 506 to tie you.
Oh, wow.
So now it's getting frisky here. Everyone's gonna have to step it up just a little bit. One of you got to step it up so you can get.
I got a lot of room for
You got some improvement time.
Oh, this corner was, he would have been 3 seconds faster.
Oh, okay. Well, there we go.
No, there's so many other areas that
You got her.
Oh yeah.
Think you'll break a 5? Get under the 5s today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think I can.
Awesome.
I think I'm gonna get into the 4s.
Awesome. I hope so. I hope so. You need to, because right now we got a tie. So it's either, I don't know, you guys would have to paper, rock, scissors over Hostile Wheels or Pro AFI, you know? Are you going to do any more in the X3?
No.
Are you over that thing?
No. It's just, I don't think it's gonna be.
It doesn't have it.
Just bottoming out too much, I think.
It doesn't have everything it needs to make it.
I think in this flat area, it dominates that Pro R.
Yeah.
All day.
Yeah.
But in every other aspect, the Pro R dominates that.
If this was a smooth circle track, you'd win in the X3
that
all day.
X3 is.
Yeah.
It's killing it. You can get into the corners faster, get out of the corners faster, but
Here we
that
go.
Pro R,
I'm gonna bring mine out.
Pro R can just take everything, the bumps and all that with it better. Oh, he's sending it. Oh, that's a send. Did he just wreck it?
He's so good, buddy. He went to those whoops. I get it up like sideways and saved it.
Nice. Oh, he was throwing down some hot laps. That's fixable.
But he's still jamming to the music.
A 501 though, legit.
Yeah, that second run would have been better.
If you didn't hit that.
Maybe you got another run in you, huh?
Oh, he's going another run.
You're not giving up. All right, you pretty stoked with your first place, Matt?
Yeah.
You stoked?
Yeah. Very.
So you're gonna keep sending it since you have the record, or are you going for track record?
Going for track record.
Not for the season.
No.
All right.
I'm going for first overall. But
overall, done deal.
I want to do a track record as well in a stock car.
There we
This
go.
whole car's stock.
Nice. You and
You don't need a modified car to beat this track.
doesn't sound happy.
You hear the grind?
I
heard.
Could have been a rock. Sometimes a rock will get in the wheel. But no, there's no rock there. Oh, your motor fell out. You don't have a motor.
It's still there.
You guys got a spare, right?
Step in for a second.
Stand on the brake and the gas and get him. I was joking. All right, well, she's making some sound, so Matt's gonna call it, but he's calling it with first place on the season. Mad props, dude. Mad props. You came, you showed up, and you beat. Yep. So you're a 501, but she's making some sounds. You're going for more. You're trying to beat my track record. I got lucky today.
We'll be back.
He's coming back to finish off my track record. So I think it's possible. So, okay, we'll get her fixed.
Yep.
We'll see you back out here. All right, competition's getting crazy stiff out here. Mad props to Matt. Right now, he's eligible for first place, which means he's gonna get Pro AFI ECU. He's also gonna get $500 cash. Since it's a stock Pro R, he's also gonna get $600 off from MTS for suspension tuning. So mad props there. Kevin, looking like hostile wheels at this point, and Ray, $500 cash. The guys that are in red are the guys that have done hot laps this year. But mad props to Matt for throwing down the 501 on day one. Also, in his X3, did the 535. And then mad props to Ross, the Pro XP, 514. And that thing is clapped out like you wouldn't believe. And then Jim, he had his grandson in the car with him. So we know he wasn't at full tilt. So not even at full tilt at 522. Mad props to these guys. I'm sorry, Jimmy. You came out, you did a sight lap, and then that was it. Your car was broke down. So sorry, man. But hope to see you guys out there again. If you want to race, chances. You have a chance of winning all of these cool prizes at zero cost to you. Come out and show us what's up.